Calling all Andreases. Andreas, are you here? I am here to help. I will start the demo when Andreas arrives. Who do we have here? Is it Andreas? Well, got one person in the chat, but I don't know if it's Andreas or not. I need Andreas in the chat so I can show him how to hook up Ledger and Metamask and Uniswap. That you, man? Waiting on an Andreas. Oh, no, it can't be you. This will be a fairly boring stream for anybody except for Andreas, because I'm just going to show him how to hook up Ledger, Metamask, and Uniswap. Where is Andreas? Andreas. Is there really no chat? Am I that dumb? Let's see. Alright, well, there's really no chat? What the heck? Aha, there we go. There we go. How about now? Should be a chat. Let's hope so. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, hold on one second. I can confirm I got an Andreas here. I'll show you real quick so we can get back to Ivan. I just want to make sure you can type, make sure if you have any questions, I can quickly guide you through it. The honorable chat is waiting. Andreas. I got 4 viewers. I'm like totally famous, but I'm just here to help one man. Really? Well, someone else is chatting. It's Roni Mosh. Macaroni Mosh Pit. What's up, my man? Yeah. Am I saying your name even close to correctly, by the way? Roni Mosh? I'm winging it with that one real bad. Macaroni Mosh Pit. Come on. Come on. Sweet. Some sort of genius. Okay, why is everybody able to chat with this Andreas fellow? Whatever, I'm just going to go through it. Hopefully you can see it. Actually, come on. Andreas, try reloading the page. Can you do that, Andreas? Roni, we are learning how to connect. Make sure you have the correct wallet connected to Uniswap when you have a Ledger Uniswap wallet, or a Ledger Metamask wallet. Oh, there you go. All right, here we go. So I can't, it's been like a whole 15 minutes, so I can't totally remember your issue, but I'm just going to show you how to switch wallets and make sure you're on the right wallet when you're on Uniswap. In Metamask, I think you've already gotten this, but these are up here is where you're going to find your wallet list. Obviously, as you've seen, this is the hardware wallet connected, and this is just a non-hardware wallet. I'll just switch over to here to show you. Right now, let me go back. Right now, the hardware wallet is listed here, and it's as connected, so any swaps I do will be from this address. If I want to switch to another wallet, then I will go up here and first switch to the wallet here. Actually, I'll need to reload the page too, because you need to hit that connect button if you saw that. I'm pushing my Sharbage computer to the limit right now. It's thinking real hard. All right. All right. Come on. Come on. You can do it. All right. Let's change. Oh, yeah. Let's make sure. Come on. Come on, big guy. May have to change and change back. Yep. So now you'll connect. You'll have to initially connect, and then that should just get you into your wallet. You may have to, you've already connected the hardware wallet, so that should be it. You can confirm that right here in the top right again. And yeah, it should match like this right here. What I always do is confirm things on Etherscan. That's the best way to do it. That will, well, I'll go to that in a second, but this should match right here. Come on, big guy. Yeah, here's the address, and that should match 523B, 523B. So that'll be what you're making the swap with. And if you're on a hardware wallet, it will always, assuming you have your firmware updated, it will always ask you to confirm on the wallet once for each transaction, to sign that transaction before submitting. And I don't, oh yeah, tokens are the other thing. Uh-oh, what's going on? Oh man, it's freaking out. It's freaking out, man. Okay, well, I don't know. Sorry, 1 second. Oh, dude, I know Windows, man. It's killing me. It's absolutely brutal. But my real computers are in a storage unit in Denver, so I'm suffering right now. The other thing, oh yeah, tokens. Do you know how to add tokens? You said some were not showing up, right? Am I right? Yeah, yeah. If it's Brave browser, then I have Brave browser, but I disable the wallet in there. Do you want me to show you how to add tokens, Andreas? In case well, if they don't match, then you're going to need to switch up here. First, make sure you have the correct wallet up here. Make sure it's your if not, then you can switch between wallets here. So right now, this is the one that's active and it's connected. And then make sure on the website itself you're connected to the correct wallet, which is you match right here. So there's two places. Sometimes they can get out of sync, but thank you, Daniel. 2 Kiwis, I appreciate it. Donations help too. My suffering and pain dealing with Windows. Degenerate scumbag.eth. Thanks. I'm dying here. No, but seriously, can you try it now? Can you go to Uniswap and see if you can switch and get them to sync up? Because the only thing that's probably happening is it's not changed here. And first, it needs to be active here. So first in Metamask, second on, oh, Roni, I appreciate it, man. Macaroni Mosh Pit, my newest subscriber. I'm totally famous now. Yeah. All right. Are you able to check right now, Andreas? If you got those to sync? Mm-hmm. Yes. So right. Can you go up here? Can you first get your address? Are you locked in here? Like you have the correct wallet showing here. If so, if not, change it here. And if so, then proceed to the page and click here. Are you able to check that? And if you need to switch, you can change it here. Let me know if you can get that. Big strong guy. But are you seeing the correct one available? Like on the page itself, are you able, once you click here, are you able to change to the other one? You should have both of them listed. One suggestion is to go up here. So Christian in the chat is suggesting to go up here to connected and remove the accounts from Uniswap, or Uniswap from the connected accounts, and then just reload and start over. Just one is listed there. Then come up here and do this. Disconnect. If you go to app or go to Uniswap, click on the connected button up here, and then disconnect. Disconnect the accounts. I'll just go ahead and do that. And so now you should be able to just navigate to the page and it should start as fresh. So it'll ask you to start from the beginning and reconnect the account. Just make sure you have the correct one selected in here first, up in Metamask. And then you should be able to immediately connect that on the page itself. So now, yeah, you'll have to click connect a wallet and go through that process. Let me know how that goes. I'll do that too while I'm at it. correct. Connect wallet, Metamask. Do your little magic thing. Come on, Metamask. Come on, Windows. And then I'll just leave the one out here that I'll never use. Should be good to go from there. And it should match up. 4.4. And yeah, so where? On the connected tab? On the connected tab, you can disconnect here. I'm not understanding where it's not showing. Maybe I missed something. Okay, but you can, so it's not connected, so just reload the page, and then if you have disconnected the accounts, and once you reload the page, then it should say up in the top right, connect a wallet. So if there's truly nothing connected to this page, then it shouldn't show an address up here. If it is showing an address, then you will need to just, I mean, it worked for me. I'm not sure. That was a good suggestion, Chris. Just starting from scratch. You can disconnect. But it should, from what you're saying, you should be disconnected. Are you on, not on mainnet or something? Did you use XDAI or anything? Any layer 2 solution recently? I'm not. It's Peter Hermsen. Yeah, it should, right? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, if you are disconnected, then Uniswap will tell you connect, just like Chris said in the chat. Okay, yeah. Are you using Brave browser? I mean, maybe. And are you using Brave browser? Because if there's one of these days, I will do. You on Brave? That just complicates stuff. Honestly, one of these days I'll just show how to actually grab the Uniswap interface from GitHub and then totally do everything on localhost. That way you don't even have to mess with the website. Even if the website's down, you can still do swaps. Interfaces with the smart contract directly. And which will be good if they ever decide to legislate against that, because they can't do anything about the smart contract. So yeah, I would avoid using MetaMask on Brave personally. I mean, it worked for me in the past, but it also didn't work for me in the past. So yeah, I mean, is the tinfoil hat like super like important, or can you just go to Uniswap for this one thing on Chrome or Firefox? Both are working for me. Do you have another browser to use? You must have. I'm probably gonna have to end this soon because the crew is amassing in the chat. I feel bad. I should probably go over to the. Actually, what am I saying? Ivan's gonna take like 30 more minutes probably. But what do you want me to? Yeah, I mean that would be my suggestion. If it's really not working, if you're not, I don't know why it wouldn't be working just to add your wallet up here. But if it's not, then Firefox should definitely work. I know that a number of people have had problems with Brave. And you'd think it would work since it's kind of integrated, but I mean, it's an understandably difficult problem for them to remove page elements and try to strip everything down and have everything work every time. So you know, yeah, are you brave enough to not use Brave? Big strong guy would do it. Big strong guy's really brave, really really brave. Never yet. Actually, Ruth almost did this the other day. Don't use your seed. Always use ledger. Once you set up your ledger with the seed should hide away and never be used again unless you lose your wallet, your hardware device, and you need to restore it somehow. But the ledger hardware wallet itself is going to stand in for your seed from now until the end of time, and it's the whole job of it, which is why it's safe. It's that buffer between your actual wallet, seed, and everything else, and the scary world out there. Ronnie, you're on Brave, so you're on Brave Innsbury. Oh, right. So when you first set it up, if just create a new seed, it makes you create a. It won't let you just go straight to a hardware wallet. I don't know why. So just make a random wallet, do that seed thing, and then connect your hardware wallet once you have just some random empty wallet generated. Does that make sense? Yeah, Ronnie, that's what the next thing I was going to show him. You always need to add tokens, even on the other browsers. I was going to show him how to add a token. What? What's going on here? What is this link? Oh, it's an awesome. Appreciate it. Uh, Watch out, Ivan. Here I come. Do you have another name in the Good Morning Crypto chat? Am I talking to somebody I know? Trying to think. Christian, Chris. There's a. Uh, oh, pray to Christian? No, it can't be. Can't be. No way. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, sweet. What's up, man? All right. Oh man, the chat's going wild. Richard Landy, what's up, my man? How are you? Trying to get some issues sorted out here, and oh man, every time you say coconut, I think of Johnny Strubs, Strubzilla, the crepuscular coconut. I wonder whatever happened to that guy. He probably got run over by a car or something. Man, something bad was always happening to poor Johnny Strubs. By the way, chat map's live. I just can't shill it right now because chat map is locked in the basement and I'm tending this chat here. So Well, I don't know about great. I appreciate it, but it's really the unsolicited Sharbage Circus is what it is. I had a another video before our stream, and they took it down for child endangerment, and it was me and the cat. Chatmap.live, you know, the user chat. Hold on, let me. Andreas, did you? Okay, so now that you created a new one, go up here and import that hardware wallet, as you've probably done before. Up here, connect hardware wallet, not import. Sorry, connect hardware wallet, and just forget about that one you just made. Yes, yeah, go ahead and do that. I have ultra low latency chat on, but it's totally not ultra low latency. It's pretty slow. So I'm trying to respond in real time, and it's got a bit of a delay. Go ahead and import that, connect that, and unless you want me to show that, I'm not going to, because it loops over and over, and the stupid Windows security thing just, oh god, it's really just a pain. But I mean, I totally can show you. It's just really annoying to deal with that. I miss my Linux. I miss Linux so much. Mm-hmm. So tell me, are those eyes flying out of a head? Like, is that what that little face means? I'm assuming it does. Yeah, with the one eye, the other eye. It should be just the first one. I mean, I'm assuming you have funds in it, and I would doubt that you would have used another one of the sub addresses, or the second, third, fourth. I mean, you should see one populated with funds. I mean, and by default, it's the first one. Oh, it's E.T. I get it. I get it. Oh, I love that movie. I want a flying bike, by the way. That's pretty cool. Sounds really dangerous, but I love it. I love it. I need it. I haven't actually watched, so I wouldn't know. Done? You're done. Okay, it's cool. So you're ready to go and go to Uniswap and see if the addresses match as you expect them to. This one with this one. And you'll probably have to connect the first time. I believe in you. I believe in you. That martini guy just posted. Crypto Yoda. All right, how you doing? How you doing, Andreas? Are you cooking with gas now? Is it working? How are we doing? Yep. And now on the page, you should. And are you on Uniswap now? The address match? Okay, so you should be good to go. And so you should be able to swap, and it should prompt you to confirm on your hardware wallet after that. Where's the account? Okay, so it's not showing your tokens, right? Because I can show you how to fix that. All right, so okay, so what I would do first is, you have to add them manually. So it's something that should be, there should be instructions, it should be easier, but I copy my address and I go to Etherscan for all things wallet, and you can just search it or whatever, and it will bring up your wallet information. And from here, this is your list of tokens right here. And you can just go to this little square and it'll show you all your tokens. And it's annoying, but you have to add them one by one. I'm sure there's going to be a good solution for this soon, but let's see which one I don't have. I'll show you how to add one real quick. So to add them to the list, I don't have basically any on here, I think. What is this? What the heck? I have no idea what this is. That's weird. That's real weird. Huh. That is bizarre. Oh, sync. It just was overflowing. Okay, I'll add, do I have swap on here? I'll add trust swap. So to add a new token, first I'll get the address. And this is the address, so click on it. And then once you're here, copy it. Copy that address. And then go back to your wallet. Oh, come on. And then at the very bottom, they're not in that account. Well, where are they? Where are you? Oh yeah, Matt, can you help him out? Because I don't know what the. I'm just gonna finish in case somebody doesn't know. But you just add token down here because I need to add it anyway. Go to custom token, and then you can just paste it in, and it should have the info. And then it will show up in your list of assets here. Yeah, I just showed him, Ronnie. I mean, I did it on Etherscan, but CoinGecko works as well. You just need the contract address, you copy it, and then oh, okay. So that's an issue. If you're dealing with a Brave browser issue, I mean, I could easily work through it with you, but I would have to set it all up and figure that out. I just avoid Brave when it comes to the wallet because it just causes people problems. I don't know why. It should be streamlined. But yeah, there's like a few tokens that are actually in this list by default, but most things you need to add as a custom token, just as an aside, so I can wrap that up. CoinGecko, since Ronnie is talking about CoinGecko, that's also a way to confirm that you have this. You should be careful especially when you're pasting contract addresses into Uniswap or something like that. Luckily, they have the CoinGecko list built in now, but why are these all? Let me find it. Uni token. So on any of the, all right, well, I'll just wrap it up here because I don't know. I just went through the entire process step by step, so I have no idea. And you said the addresses match. This is where the contract is, just for on CoinGecko, by the way. So I'm gonna wrap it up, and I don't know. So listen to Mathieu. Mathieu has the answer here. We're Brave browser users. All right, but yeah, listen to this guy. Mathieu has the answer straight out of La Belgique. So if I can be of any help later after the show, I am happy to do that. Because it's still dark outside and I'm a nocturnal mammal. So I will catch you in the chat. Ivan on Tech, good morning crypto, here we come. Big strong guy in the house. See you in the other realm, Ronnie Mosh. Wait. Do I have to do like a smile thing when I stop the camera, right? Like I haven't.